Hello everyone, welcome to the World Car Brands. This is the brand new plug-in hybrid BMW X1. The new SUV is larger than before and has a completely new sporty design touches. The new BMW X1 plug-in hybrid comes in two variants, XDrive 25e and XDrive 30e. In the basic variants 25e, the car will receive a 3-cylinder 1.5-liter gasoline engine with an output of 136 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque, and one electric motor with an output of 109 horsepower and 247 Nm of torque. The total output of the system is 245 horsepower and 477 Nm of torque, which allows the car to accelerate to 100 km/h in just 6.8 seconds. The maximum speed is limited to km/h, but if you want to drive only in electric mode, the maximum speed is 140 km/h in the highest variant 30e. The car gets the same 3-cylinder 1.5-liter gasoline engine, now produces 150 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque, and one electric motor with a power of 177 horsepower and 247 Nm of torque. In this variant, the total power of the system is 326 horsepower and 477 Nm of torque, which allows the car to accelerate to 100 km/h in just 5.7 seconds. The maximum speed is 205 km/h, while the speed is pure electric mode is 140 km/h. Both plug-in hybrid models are equipped with a 7-speed Straptronic gearbox with double clutch and all-wheel drive system called BMW XDrive. Electric range estimated at 80 km. Price starts at €57,000 in Germany. Inside we find a redesigned dashboard with the latest digital screen called the BMW Curved Display, which joins the 10.25-inch instrument panel and a 10.7-inch multimedia touchscreen. Other interesting features include cloud-based navigation with an extended view on the control display and an interior camera that allows you to take snapshots or have images of the interior sent to the customer's smartphone. Integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, personal 5G and fast charging wireless paired. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button to get the latest videos. Thanks.